5 seconds before you dive into your 14 days Fashion Business Mastermind Intensive, I would love to introduce you to your business plan. Welcome to Fashion Business Mastermind, the membership program that helps you quit fear, get focused, and streamline your fashion business. I'm Julia Antofia, fashion inventor and manufacturer, 15 years in business, and your mentor on this wonderful journey. Stay tuned until the end of the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. The only thing you need to do in this video lesson is to follow the link under this video and download your business plan to Canva. Your business plan gives you clarity on the following topics: your brand name, your brand values, your true genius, your mission and purpose, your fashion invention, your pricing, your target groups, your marketing strategy, and your financial model. Annual revenues, budgets, and target sales volumes in units. Not only does this document make you focus and gives you a clear implementation plan, it is also of the key importance for communication with your stakeholders, investors, ambassadors, affiliates, influencers, GV partners, stores, and end customers. The order in which topics are presented in your business plan is different from the order in which you are going to fill it in. The simple reason is you cannot come up with your brand name before you have defined your mission and purpose. You cannot come up with your brand values before you have assessed your true genius, and so on. In each step, I will tell you what page of your business plan you are working on. At the end of each step, do your exercise and fill in the corresponding business plan page. 14 days later, your business plan is done and ready for a review. Are you excited? Because I'm extremely excited. If you are not in the program yet and this video inspired you to join Fashion Business Mastermind, comment "I want in the comments below and grab your insane 14 days free trial today by following the link in the description. So let's dive in. Much love, Julia Antofia.